In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in Replit. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Replit is a versatile online IDE that makes collaborative coding a breeze. Let me walk you through the process of adding a file to your project in Replit, step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Replit homepage. This is your main dashboard, which displays all your projects, or REPLs as they are known here. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which includes various tabs and sections that help you organize and manage your projects. Next, you should click on the Apps section. Doing this will provide you with an overview of all the applications or projects you have created. Now find the specific project to which you want to add a file. Open this project by clicking on its name. After you've opened your project, you'll be looking at your coding environment, which consists of an editor, console, and a file tree showing your current project structure. With your project open, hover over the file tree and right-click within it. This action brings up a context menu, which offers various file management options. From this menu, select Add Folder. Creating a new folder can help keep your files organized, which is especially useful when working on complex projects that require a clear structure. Once you've selected Add Folder, a text field will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new folder. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the folder's contents, making it easier for you and anyone else working on the project to navigate it. Once you've entered the name, press Enter, and your new folder will appear in the file tree. With the folder created, the next step is to add a file within it. Right-click on the new folder, and from the menu that appears, select New File. This option allows you to create a file directly within the selected folder. Enter the desired name for your file in the text field that appears. Remember to include a file extension, such as .txt, .js, or .pi, depending on the type of file you intend to create. After naming your file, you'll have the opportunity to choose the file format. For instance, if you're creating a configuration file, you might opt for a .json format, which is widely used for data interchange. Once you've made your choice and typed in the appropriate extension, you should see the file listed under your new folder in the file tree. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new file to your Replit project. This process is simple and intuitive, and as you get more familiar with Replit, you'll find it becomes second nature. Enjoy coding and make the most of your organized file structure to streamline your development workflow.